Hello everybody, Stephen Rager here with Champion Home Inspection, Newburgh, Indiana, and today we're going to go over humidifiers. The majority of the homes that I go into are not having their humidifiers serviced when they get their spring and fall servicing. So they always look like this. You can see there's some rusting on top, some moisture coming out. Right, we look down at the bottom side of it and you can see the same thing happening. This is due to a lack of maintenance on these units. To know more about your particular unit, just simply look at the model number. You'll see there's your make and model number. It's usually by your data plate. And just Google the make and model. And sure enough, it comes right up for this particular one. And here it lets us know when and how often we need to be doing our maintenance with it. Ask your heating and air professional to service your humidifier as they recommend. It's usually extra.